Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. Oh my gosh, it is so good to see you guys. I have not vlogged in like 2 weeks, you guys. I can't remember the last time that I didn't vlog for 2 weeks. I mean, what? The first week was intentional. I knew that I wasn't going to film anything that week because we had a lot going on. But this past week, it was not intentional. It just didn't happen. First of all, I had like nothing going on that was really vloggable. So it just kind of felt like, well, what am I even gonna film? And also, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it. And I did not feel like forcing myself to feel it. It was just one of those moments where I was just like, you know what? We're not gonna do it. But yesterday, like last night, ooh, this guy is like running up our hill, and we live on a very large hill. Good for him. Good for you, man. Oh, he's slowing down a little, but he's still doing it. Anyway, I don't even remember what I was in the middle of saying. Oh yeah, last night I was like, I am feeling so much more rejuvenated and I'm feeling like vlogging tomorrow, and here we are. Now today, we're gonna vlog. And we're basically just gonna have a nice, chill, fun summer day here together. I feel like this vlog might be a little on the shorter side, but I just kind of feel like, I don't know, taking you along on our day, because Con and I have some kind of fun, again, just chill plan that I feel like you'll enjoy coming along for. So here we are. Morning started off great. Went and got myself a Starbucks. I'm not gonna lie, I've been buying Starbucks every single day for like a month. It's not great, but oh my god, I love it. I am loving it so much. I mean, the nice part is Connor and I kind of like alternate buying. So that's nice. But anyway, this I think is a, let's just read the label because I don't remember. Venti Iced Blonde Vanilla Latte. I got the sugar-free vanilla, and I also got some vanilla sweet cream foam on top. And I make mine with non-fat milk. By the way, that is not like a trying to be healthy thing that I get non-fat milk, because I think non-fat milk is actually worse for you. I'm not 100% sure, but I just really like the taste of non-fat milk in my drinks. So that's why I get it. Oh my god, it's really good. I got like a cinnamon brown sugar shaken latte yesterday. It did not hit. I still have half of it in the fridge, and I'm probably gonna have to finish it today when I'm like tired later. Not that I have to finish it, but I should, because it's an expensive drink. But I did not like the way it tasted. No, Molly, no, you can't walk past here right now. This is where my camera is set up. Turn around, just go the other way. Anyway, we picked up coffees, and then Connor and I just sat outside for a little while. So, Molly, no, you cannot go this way. Find a different way to go over there. She's now licking herself as if I hurt her in some way. Connor and I picked up coffees, and then we just sat outside with Molly Cat because we are finally having nice weather. I mean, it's like a dream come true. Just waking up to blue skies and sunshine has been such a thrill for me, because we have not had that here in LA all year long, and finally starting last weekend we were starting to get that more. Makes me so happy. I love summer. I love it. Honestly, having gray weather for like 6 months in LA has really made me appreciate it even more. But I don't care. I just want it back all the time. I don't need to live through gray weather to appreciate it, in fairness. But this was like our first week of consistently nice weather. Anyway, I think we're gonna start our day, although it is already probably like 10:30ish right now. But we're gonna start our day with a workout. I just feel like getting a little movement in. The coffee is coursing through my veins, and I am ready to go. I think I'm gonna do a little ab and ass set. I think that's kind of gonna be the vibe for today. Part of me wonders if like part of the reason why I just have not been as into working out is because it's just been gray, shitty weather, and that does not inspire me to like want to move and get myself going. You know, it makes me want to curl up in a ball on the couch. I'm definitely also gonna finish my book today. I'm reading Fourth Wing. I'm filming a full reading vlog for that. I am unsure about whether that's going up before or after this video that you're watching right now. So if it's not up yet, it will be next, and otherwise it's probably the video right before this one. I'm thinking it's probably gonna go up after though. That's kind of my thought. And I cannot wait to talk to you guys more about this book in that vlog. Favorite read of the year, and has quickly moved into like one of my favorite books, just period, end of sentence. It was so good. And I'm not even done yet, but I'm so excited. And we have some other fun little activities on the agenda for the day, so it should be good. Actually, quickly, before I start my workout, I want to throw the sheets into the washing machine because I really want to clean our sheets and bedding today. So might as well get that started now. Connor just went out on a bike. He's gonna pick up lunch for us, and the day will commence once he gets home. I have to say, you guys, I missed you. It feels so good to chat with you right now. later, friends. I have worked out, I have showered, I'm nice and clean now. I've switched laundry over. We are having such a lovely, productive day. And now I'm just gonna throw on a little bit of really light makeup for the day. This is kind of, I think, gonna be like go-to summer vibes because I just, ew, why does the bottom of my beauty blender look like that? It's gotta be from sitting on top of this black palette. It's just like blending. Anyway, I just can't deal with wearing a lot of makeup in the summer. I feel like everyone gets that. But I do wanna redo my skincare since I've showered. I really like using this like Keys Let Me Glow Illuminating Serum. My only complaint is the pump only works like half the time. Sometimes the pump just doesn't work and you're just sitting there like pumping it and nothing's coming out for a long time. But it does add such a nice little shimmery shine to the skin, which I really appreciate when I'm not going to be wearing a lot of makeup. I broke out so bad after last weekend because I treated my body like crap. I literally had drinks 4 days in a row because we had people in town. I do not do that ever. I feel like my skin was like, no, what are you doing? I was also like eating out a lot and just doing things that I typically would not do for my body, and my skin let me know that they did not like it. Thank you for that, skin. God forbid you cut me a break, but it's fine. A little bit of acne cream. Connor still isn't home, but he's got to be getting close. I should check his location soon. Moisturizer and sunscreen. Make sure to get my chest too because Connor and I are going to be hanging outside, I think, a little bit today. Such a beautiful day outside. I'm dying for it, you guys. So this is what I've been doing for a quick little lazy makeup moment. Kosas concealer. This is not my favorite, just because I think that it does like crease a little bit, but it's so brightening and nice that I kind of like using it when I'm not going to be wearing a lot of makeup. It also blends really nicely into the skin. I don't know. I like it, I just don't love it. Just because I am breaking out a little bit, I do want to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. I really need a new one of. I need to go to Ulta. I hate that it's still like only exclusive in Ulta. Like, can you just cut us a break and let us get it more places, please? It's so annoying. I don't ever go to Ulta and there's not really one super close to me, so. Okay. Just gonna touch up a few of the little spots that I have. Nothing too crazy. I feel like my skin is finally starting to recover a little bit. I don't care about like totally covering. I just want to give them a little something. Of course, got to get my bronzer going. Get a good little swirl of that just to get some color in my face. I've gotten like no sun yet this summer. I was just telling Connor that we really need to do a beach day because I need to get some color on my skin. I actually sat outside for a while yesterday reading and got a sunburn on my legs, which was definitely my bad. I should have put sunscreen on. I didn't think that it would happen so quickly. I wasn't outside for that long, but when you haven't gotten sun for months, it's gonna happen that quickly. So do as I say, not as I do, and make sure you wear sunscreen. I will be putting sunscreen on my legs before we go out today. Cream blush, because I am a blush girly after all. Loves it. Obviously, gotta hit the highlight. We want a nice glowy looking face. Always, but especially in the summer. Hit my nose with a little bit. And then I just quickly brush this over my eyelids. I don't feel like it does that much, but just have a little glow going on in there. Mascara, I've been using this just random mascara that I had in my drawer. It's from Wander Beauty and it's the Mile High Club mascara. Like, don't love. It doesn't like bleed under my eyes, which I really like, but it is a little flaky and usually I have to like clean up my face a little bit after using it, which is annoying. Let's see if we can get a no flake application today. I have never been successful in getting no flakes. Of course I get it on my eye, but I don't care because there's no makeup there, so that's easy for me to clean up. I'm skipping the bottom lashes, just doing one coat on the top. And there are flakes. I'm just gonna let all those flakes and shit that I got all over my face dry before I do anything about it, because then I find it easier to clean up, a little less messy. Eyebrows, just a quick eyebrow gel. And then this is pretty much gonna be the summer look. Who wants to have a ton of makeup on their face in the summer? Not me. So I'm trying to get my skin under control so that we can really limit. There was one more thing that I thought of. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put some lip balm on. And you know, I'm going to spritz with some setting spray as well. I'm also almost out of this. I need to get more. Cool, well there you have it. I just kind of threw my hair up, half down, and a little clip in the back here. My bangs are not banging though, so I think I want to do something about that. Con and I just made it to the park for a little picnic. He picked up some sandwiches for us from Allen's Market, our favorite spot, you guys probably know. And it is such a gorgeous day out, you guys. We are loving it. It's so good.
Sliving.
Sliving. I just taught Connor that. Look at this though, so pretty. That's the ocean right there. Yeah, so many cute little dogs to look at. I love it. Italian sub. Look at how amazing this looks. I'm so excited. And some pasta salad on the side. All of this is $10, you guys. It's incredible. I know, it's crazy. Sorry if this clip is really windy. I don't know if you can hear me at all. It's a very windy day, literally. So sorry about that, but just wanted to let you know we're off on our next adventure. In we go. We got a couple little drinks here. Connor, I think, got a skinny margarita, and I got the fresh ice, which is kind of like a cucumber margarita, spicy cucumber margarita kind of vibe.
I'm honestly regretting. This looks amazing.
It looks really good, right? Well, you can obviously try some. Cheers. So good. How's yours?
Yeah, very good.
All right, we're just getting a little snacky here right now, so we decided to get some elote nachos. I can't remember if this is what we got last time, but
It might have been.
yeah, but
Because little Missy always gets her way. No, I insist.
what is this attitude? So rude. They look so pretty though, so yummy. I'm excited. We've been back home for a little while, but I literally just got home and finished my book.
Crushed it.
Crushed it. I had to. I just had to know what happened, and insane. As I said, I filmed a whole reading vlog for that, and I don't know whether it's up already when you're watching this, so you know, you can either go watch it or it'll be the next video. Connor and I decided that we wanted some poke for dinner, so that just got delivered. It's looking so delicious, and we are also watching Inside Out. I was in the mood for like a chill movie vibe like this, and it's providing, so I'm pretty happy with our decision.
As you can see, she looks very chill.
Yes, it's very chill. It's giving chill. Well, my friends, thank you for watching and hanging out with me today. Oh, I always do not like seeing my reflection in the mirror there. Creeps me out. Thanks for coming along for this really nice, chill summer Saturday. It felt so good. I feel like it was such a great way to spend the weekend. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.